Plastic bottles are manufactured using two distinct industrial technologies: PET bottle manufacturing and HD.
Although the final products may look similar, PET bottles and HDPE bottles are formed using fundamentally different industrial processes.
Automated conveying systems deliver PET resin and HDPE resin to their dedicated production lines without manual handling.
Across the factory, material flow, machine operation, and production data are synchronized through MES, ERP, and industrial IoT systems.
The PET bottle process begins with injection molding of preforms.
PET resin pellets are dried to remove moisture before preform production begins.
Drying conditions for PET resin are continuously monitored to preserve material performance.
PLC control automatically regulates PET drying parameters and records them in the manufacturing execution system. Conditioned PET material feeds an injection molding cell dedicated to PET preform production. Inside the closed barrel, PET resin is plasticized under tightly controlled temperature and pressure.
Preforms are formed inside multi-cavity molds, then released and guided onto a narrow outfeed line. Robots remove hot PET preforms from the mold without any manual contact.
The preforms are conveyed in a controlled orientation to maintain dimensional stability. Inline vision systems inspect each part for geometry and surface consistency in real time.
Non-conforming PET preforms are automatically rejected before downstream processing.
A buffering system balances output between preform molding and the forming stage. Production data tracks output, reject rates, and cavity-level performance across the line. Approved PET preforms enter a controlled infrared reheating system. Heating zones are carefully regulated to ensure uniform temperature throughout each part. Temperature data from the reheating stage is continuously measured and logged. Heated blanks are fed into the forming machine through a controlled neck rail system. Inside closed molds, the material is stretched and air-blown into the final PET bottle shape. Air pressure and timing are precisely controlled to achieve repeatable PET bottle geometry.
Finished PET bottles exit the forming process once dimensional stability is achieved.
Air-assisted conveying moves lightweight PET bottles smoothly downstream. Inline inspection verifies PET bottle geometry, neck finish, and surface integrity.
Defective PET bottles are removed automatically from the production flow.
Approved PET bottle output is buffered and synchronized for downstream filling and packaging.
Energy and compressed air consumption for the PET bottle line are monitored continuously.
ERP systems reconcile PET resin usage with PET bottle production output and traceability.
Finished PET bottles are automatically palletized as completed products. Completed PET bottle pallets are secured and prepared for warehouse handling. HDPE resin pellets are conveyed automatically into the extruder feed system.
The HDPE bottle extrusion blow molding line operates continuously under automated control. Inside the closed extruder barrel, HDPE resin is melted and homogenized.
Control systems stabilize melt pressure, temperature, and screw speed for HDPE bottle production. The die head extrudes a hollow parison which is immediately enclosed within a fully closed blow mold to begin forming the HDPE container.
Compressed air inflates the material inside the closed mold to form the final container shape. Blow molds close and seal around the parison before air inflation begins.
Cooling within the mold stabilizes the HDPE bottle's shape and mechanical strength.
Freshly molded HDPE containers exit the forming station with open necks and trim flash still attached. Automated trimming systems remove flash to achieve final HDPE bottle dimensions. Trim scrap from HDPE bottle production is routed to enclosed recycling systems. Recycled HDPE material is metered back into the process within defined quality limits. Each HDPE bottle undergoes automated leak and integrity testing. HDPE bottles that fail pressure testing are rejected automatically. Additional vision systems confirm HDPE bottle geometry before packaging.
MES analytics monitor efficiency, downtime, and quality trends for the HDPE bottle line. ERP systems synchronize HDPE bottle output with inventory records. Flow control systems stabilize HDPE bottle output before palletizing.
Finished HDPE bottles are automatically palletized as completed products.
Completed HDPE bottle pallets are secured and tracked within the digital warehouse system. PET bottles and HDPE bottles remain physically separated while sharing unified logistics and data systems. Industrial IoT networks connect machines, sensors, and quality stations across both bottle production lines. Operators supervise PET and HDPE bottle manufacturing through digital dashboards, responding only to exceptions. Finished PET bottles and HDPE bottles are stored with full traceability using QR and RFID systems. Material selection defines bottle performance, from clarity and lightweight strength to durability and resistance. Digital control ensures consistent quality, traceability, and efficient high-volume output.
This is PET bottle and HDPE bottle manufacturing inside a fully integrated smart factory.